What's going on, everybody? My name is Wimberley and this is Working with Wimberley, and in this video I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to install self-stick tile. I'm going to be taking this tile off. I'm going to have to fill the wall and smooth it out, and then we're going to put peel and stick tile between the cabinet and the countertop. And I've actually already used this. I've used it in my laundry room and I love the way this turned out. This looks really, really good. So I decided to use the same stuff over here. And when I pulled off the tile at the top of the countertop, it took the wall off with it. It looks really bad, but it's fine. It's not really a big deal. I already have my drywall patch panels right here. So I'm just going to trim out the wall, get these put in, screwed in place, put some mud on it, sand it nice and smooth, and it's not going to cause us any issues in the long run. I have the patch panels in on the wall, so the only thing I need to do is get some mud on it, sand it smooth, and then we can go on with the project. The wall is patched and sanded smooth. So what I'm doing now, I'm going to tape everything off to get ready for paint. Just taking some sandpaper and going over some of the areas to make sure it's smooth before we apply the paint. The first coat of paint is on the wall, and I actually painted the part where the backsplash is going to go, just because you want a clean, dry surface. So I figured I'd go ahead and paint over it to make sure that the tile sticks. You can still see some of the green through it, but I think the second coat will take care of that. At this point, we can see that I have most of the tile installed. It's really simple. You literally just peel off the backing and stick it onto the wall. Just make sure you have everything lined up. I'm going to show you guys how I did the end piece. Now, the great thing about this is you can cut every single tile out individually. I cut it with a razor blade and then just snapped it, and I went through and made sure I got the end nice and neat and filled it in one by one. This is how you make the job look really neat, and it's super, super simple. The tiles didn't fit perfectly between the countertop and the cabinet, so I decided to leave the small gap at the bottom and fill it in with a piece of wood trim that I stained. If you found that video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.